Let's talk about the limitations of our implementation. It has several limitations. One is that if the price of ADA goes up, you can mint more with the same locked collateral. But in our current implementation, you have to consume that collateral and recreate a new one with a new amount of stablecoins to be able to mint more with the same collateral. So one possible improvement could be a way to update the datum without needing to consume and recreate a new one. But that might be a bit too complicated, so we're going to fixate on two specific problems that you could solve with your current knowledge. One is that the liquidation risk is too high. If my collateral goes below the threshold, I lose a ton of money. 50% is a good extra amount of collateral to be able to respond in time for market variations. But consuming the whole thing, giving the entire extra value to the liquidator, it's too much. So one simple solution will be to limit the rewards to, for example, 2%. You can at most get paid 2% of the extra value, and the rest has to go back to the original owner. That's one of the two homeworks. And the second one is, how do we pay to the developers? Does no one care about the well being of developers? In our current implementation, no one gets paid. The only one that earns money is the user that liquidates someone else. So we could implement a small fee, for example, 0.1% or something like that, when we mint, burn, and liquidate. So every time we run the minting policy. Those are two important but easy enough improvements that you could make to this implementation. Have fun!